Welcome to Exploring Apricots, a fun learning adventure for kids. Today, we're going to discover all there is to know about apricots, from how they grow to their delicious taste. Our adventure begins in a sunny apricot orchard. Look at all those beautiful apricot trees. This is an apricot tree. It's a fruit tree that produces yummy apricots. Apricots are orange and round, just like a small peach. Let's take a closer look at the apricots hanging from the tree. They're fuzzy on the outside and sweet on the inside. Now, let's learn how apricots grow. Apricots start as tiny seeds inside the fruit. When the apricot tree blossoms in the spring, bees help pollinate the flowers, which turns them into small green fruits. As the apricots grow, they soak up the sunshine and drink water from the soil. This helps them get bigger and juicier. When the apricots are ready, farmers pick them from the trees. It's like a fruit treasure hunt. Now that we have our apricots, let's head to the kitchen and see what we can make with them. First, wash the apricots to make sure they're clean. Then, carefully cut them in half and remove the pits. Be sure to ask a grown-up for help with this part. Next, put the apricots, yogurt, and honey in a blender. Blend them all together until the mixture is smooth and creamy. Once it's all blended, pour your apricot smoothie into a glass. It's time to taste the deliciousness. Doesn't that look yummy? Apricots are not only tasty, but they're also good for you. Remember, apricots are a delicious and healthy snack. Enjoy them anytime you can. Well, that's the end of our apricot adventure. We've learned how apricots grow and how to make a tasty apricot smoothie. Thanks for joining us today. Keep exploring and learning about the wonderful world of fruits and nature. Bye for now.